Agust talni jiba shalmari 4 sala Gulagati John Bosco English medium rongnog bisingte Torke Phil Charlesi Bharat Hakata Yakshoma Shal Palaizaka Yagola John Bosco rongnogo donation check yafareka Peko Jala Kamini Tokirai Debrama
Cek rekha, sini sekolah mungoi, norok emon bodoh saya mana musuh, emon salia tu, kalau pas selal kan usung pai di sar busur rekha hari ni, so belakan hambai,
known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was born on 14 April 1891 in Mehu, Madhya Pradesh. He was a great Indian jurist, economist, social reformer and political leader. He fought against social discrimination and caste inequality. He is known as the father of class 9 represent the personality of Rani Lakshmibai, popularly known as Rani of Jhansi, one of the bravest freedom fighters in cult of 1857. Rani Lakshmibai died fighting in battle on 18 June 1858, but her sacrifice continued to inspire of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a great India freedom fighter, teacher, social reformer, and nationalist leader. His famous slogan, Swaraj is my birth, and I shall have it. Known as Punjab Kesari, Lion of India. He was born on 28 January 1865 in Punjab. He was remembered for his courage, patriotism, and dedication to India's freedom struggle. Bipin Chandra Pal strongly supported the Swadesi movement, advocating the use of India methods and boycotts of foreign products. He is remembered as one of the great leaders of India's freedom movement. Of nation, one of the greatest leaders of India's freedom struggle. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Kiranchand Gandhi. He believed in the principle of truth, satyagraha, and non-violence ahimsa. He led the movement several including non-cooperation movement, Salmar, and Quit India movement. His leadership inspired millions of Indians to fight peacefully against breaking law. The ideal of peace, truth, non-violence continue to inspire people around the world. Next we have Darren from class 1 and Hajral from class 3. Darren from class 1 and Hajral from class 3 present the personality of Bhagat Singh. British East India Company. His air of bravery became his for his life for India freedom. Was brave, truthful freedom fighter, social reformer and folk hero who fought against British rule and exploitation of tribal communities. He was born in Jharkhand. He is remembered most inspiring freedom fighters of India to fight against the British oppression. He is remembered as fearless matriarch whose love for the nation continued to inspire generations. Fearless is a revolutionary and one of the greatest freedom fighters in India's struggle for independence, born on 23 July 1906 in Madhya Pradesh. He is remembered for Netaji and greatest leader of Indian freedom struggle. He founded and led the Indian National Army and gave the inspiring slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." Brave ruler of military leader. He was born on 15 August. Was a great Indian social reformer, thinker and educationist. He was born on 22 May 1772 in Radha, Bengal. He strongly opposed, popularly known as Iron Man, was Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister, a prominent Indian freedom fighter and first Prime Minister of independent India. He was born on November 14, 1889 in Allahabad, UP, popularly known as Chacha Nehru. Bihari Bose. He was a prominent Rajguru, was a brave Indian freedom fighter. He is popularly known as the Missile Man of India. Was the greatest scientist and 11th President of India. He was born on 15 October 1831 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He played an important role in India's space
एक बेहतरीन करियर सिर्फ ख्वाब देखने से नहीं, एक सही कॉलेज चुनने से शुरू होता है। वेलकम टू विनायका इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज, अगरतला, affiliated to Tripura University, approved by Government of Tripura, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Tripura Nursing Council and Tripura State Allied and Healthcare Council. Choose from BSc Nursing, GNM, BMLT or BMRIT. Admissions open for 2026-27. Address: Airport Road, Nutan Nagar, Agartala. Join Vinayaka Institute of Health Sciences, where future healthcare professionals begin their journey.